नमस्कार दोस्तों, इन द चेन ऑफ most important questions for board examination, today I am bring you and most important questions for you. The purpose of this video to tell you about the necessary steps for the solution of questions. Now I will suggest you to see whole the video and keep in your mind and also note down the required steps for the solutions which are compulsory to write in the board examination copies. So let us start.
दोस्तों, आज के टॉपिक में ट्रिग्नोमेट्री चैप्टर 8 में कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस पर आज हम चर्चा करेंगे। तो आइए यहाँ पे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर यू, फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस 1/1 प्लस tan स्क्वायर थीटा। सो हाउ कैन यू फाइंड द वैल्यू for this expression? This is so easiest question, but if you know the identity, so this is necessary to remember the identities of the trigonometry. So dear, you know that an identity, that is 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. You will use this identity in this expression. So you will write here first of all the given expression, that is sin square theta plus 1/1 plus tan square theta. This is your question. After this dear, you will replace this 1 plus tan square theta by this identity, that is 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. So you will get this expression as sin square theta plus 1/1 plus tan square theta means dear sec square theta. But again dear, you know that is sec square theta equal to, otherwise sec theta equal to 1/cos theta, or this identity you can write just like that, 1 sec theta equal to cos theta. So dear, use this identity in the next expression. You will use this identity, you will get just like that, sin square theta plus 1/sec square theta. 1/sec theta means cos theta, and here is square, so you will write that this is cos square theta. This is clear, because you know that 1/sec theta equal to cos theta, and if since this is square, so you will write here cos square theta. Once again see here, 1/sec theta equal to cos theta, and here the square, so 1/sec square theta equal to cos square theta. So we will replace this expression for cos square theta. And dear, you know very well that another identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta, this equal to 1. सो दिस इज द फाइनल आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन। यही इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर है। तो आपने यहाँ पे दो आइडेंटिटीज को यूज किया और दो ही स्टेप्स में आपका ये आंसर आ गया। नाउ डियर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर यू, दिस इज अगेन इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन। इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन भी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं। अगर ये क्वेश्चन आपके एग्जाम में आता है तो आप कैसे करेंगे? तो डियर you will write this once again, that is the statement of the question: find the value of acute angle theta satisfying sin theta equal to under root 3 cos theta. So if you got this expression in the examination, then what to do? Dear, first of all you will write the expression as same to same, sin theta equal to under root 3 cos theta, and dear this is given. Now what to do after this? After this you will divide whole expression by the cos theta. On dividing by cos theta in both sides, जब भी आपको इस तरह का एक्सप्रेशन मिलेगा तो आपको क्या करना होगा? राइट हैंड साइड से जो भी ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो है उसको आपको रिमूव करना होगा। तो यहां पे क्या है? कॉस थीटा है, तो आपको कॉस से डिवाइड करना है। या फिर आप इस चीज को भी नोट करके रखें कि जो न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू आपको दे रखी है उसको आपको ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो से फ्री करना है। मीन्स उसके साथ जो भी ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो है उसे आपको रिमूव करना है। तो क्या करेंगे? यहाँ पे कॉस थीटा है तो हम कॉस थीटा से इसे डिवाइड करेंगे। तो अगर आप कॉस थीटा से डिवाइड करते हो तो क्या मिलने वाला है डियर? यू कैन सी हियर, you will get just like that sin theta, and you will divide this by cos theta equal to under root 3 and again cos theta, and this is also divided by cos theta. So dear, you can easily see here this cos theta and cos theta is cancelled out. Now here sin theta upon cos theta, this is an identity, so you can write here sin theta upon cos theta equal to tan theta. This is tan theta equal to under root 3, and here you know that under root 3 this is the value of tan 60 degree, so you will write here that is tan theta equal to tan 60 degree. Now you will compare both sides here. Theta equal to just how much? 60 degree. tan और tan को आप छोड़ देंगे तो यहाँ पे कंपेरिजन करेंगे तो थीटा को थीटा से, बिकॉज बोथ साइड्स आर इक्वल, सो थीटा इज ऑल्सो इक्वल. So you will write this is just like that, theta equal to 60 degree. So dear, this is final answer for this question. तो इस तरह से आप इस क्वेश्चन का भी आंसर फाइंड कर सकते हैं. तो ये भी एक इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, अगर इस तरह का क्वेश्चन आपको एग्जाम में मिलता है तो मैंने आपको क्या स्टेप्स बताया? राइट हैंड साइड जिसके साथ न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू है इसे फ्री करना है, और फ्री करने के लिए क्या करेंगे? जो भी ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियो लिखा हुआ है उससे आप दोनों साइड्स को डिवाइड करेंगे, और डिवाइड करने के बाद ये फिर भी आपको मेमोरी में रखना पड़ेगा tan अंडर रूट 3 tan में किसका वैल्यू होता है? अंडर रूट 3, दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ tan 60. उसके बाद कंपेयर करेंगे तो थीटा का वैल्यू हो जाएगा 60 डिग्री. नाउ डियर, अनदर क्वेश्चन फॉर यू. So dear, here is the another important question. Prove that 1 plus cot square alpha divided by 1 plus cosec alpha equal to cosec alpha. So what to do in this question? In this question dear, You will write first of all this is left hand side and this one is right hand side. In the case of proof, you will write these things and you will select any one side, and this is important to select the side or side you will select which is the largest value. So dear, left hand side having the largest value, so you will take this side for, then you can prove this easily. So dear, you will write this is 1 plus cot square alpha divided by 1 plus cot alpha, 1 plus cosec alpha. Okay dear, but you know an identity that is cot square theta equal to cosec square theta minus 1. This is the identity. Okay dear, so here you will use this identity as 1 plus cot square alpha. In this place you will write cosec square alpha minus 1 upon 1 plus cosec alpha. Okay, and this one you can write as 1 square. And dear, you know another identity in the algebraic expression, that is a square minus b square equal to a plus b and a minus b. So you will use this identity in this place. Let us, this one is a and this one is b. So a square minus b square. You will write just like that in the next step. That is dear, yes of course, it is 1 plus a plus b means cosec alpha plus b means 1 and a minus b, a means cosec alpha and minus b means minus 1. Okay, here you will write cosec alpha. After that, what to do? Divide by same to same, 1 plus cosec alpha. And dear, here you can see that this 1 plus cosec alpha is cancelled out. This is same to same. A cosec alpha plus 1 and 1 plus cosec alpha. This expression is same to same, so cancelled out. Now here is remaining things, only 1 plus cosec alpha minus 1. And dear, once again you can observe that 1 is positive and 1 is negative, so it is cancelled out and you will get only cosec alpha. So this is the value, that is right hand side. So finally you can write here left hand side equal to right hand side, since left hand side equal to right hand side, hence proved. So dear, another question for you. See here, show that 10 raised to the power of 4 theta plus 10 square theta equal to sec raised to the power 4 theta minus sec square theta. So what to do? Once again dear, you will take left hand side for proving this question. You will write just like that, left hand side, and this one is right hand side. So you will take left hand side once again, and dear, you can write just like that, 10 raised to the power of 4 theta plus tan square theta. And dear, you can easily see that what is the common in this expression. Here is common that 10 raised to the power of 2 means tan square theta is common. So remaining in the first term is tan square theta, and in the second term is only 1. Keep in mind that when you take tan square theta is common, so what is the multiple of tan square theta? Here is dear 1. So you will get the remainder here 1. And here is the 10 raised to the power of 4. So tan square theta is common. You will get remainder as tan square theta. What dear? You know that an identity, since 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta. Okay, so you will use this identity in this place. You replace this tan square theta plus 1, that is by sec square theta, because tan square theta plus 1 and 1 plus tan square theta, this is same to same. So you will write in the next step as tan square theta, and here you will write sec square theta using above identity. So you will get in the next step again dear, you know another identity, sec square theta minus 1 equal to tan square theta, or you can write this just like that, tan square theta equal to sec square theta minus 1. So you will replace this tan square theta by sec square theta minus 1. हम इस tan square theta की जगह पर sec square theta minus 1 पुट करेंगे, तो हमें क्या मिलेगा दोस्तों, आप ही बताइए. यस, बिल्कुल करेक्ट आप बता रहे हैं. ये हो जाएगा sec square theta minus 1 into sec square theta. This sec square theta you will write as same to same. Okay, now you operate the bracket, means you will multiply here, that is sec square theta को आप sec square theta से multiply करेंगे और sec square को 1 से भी multiply करेंगे. So what you will get? Dear, you will get sec square theta into sec square theta, and minus 1 से multiply करेंगे तो you will get sec square theta same to same. Now dear, you can say that x square into x square, that is x raised to the power of 4, means using here exponents and powers, identity of exponents and powers, you know that a raised to the power of m into a raised to the power of n equal to a raised to the power of m plus n. This is the identity of exponents and powers. So here you can write just like that, this is sec raised to the power of 4 theta minus sec square theta. So dear, this is your right hand side. So finally you can write that since left hand side equal to right hand side, hence proved. So dear, this is necessary to remember all the identities of the trigonometry, then you can prove any question easily. So dear, thank you and have you very good luck.